Hello children, we are on the lesson 3 subtraction part 3 class 4. Let us see it. Minuend. What is minuend? The large number from which smaller number is subtracted is minuend. For example, 42 minus 20 is 22. In this example, 42 is the minuend. Now coming to next, subtrahend. The number which is to be subtracted is called subtrahend. For example, let us see the example. 50 minus 20 is 30. So 20 is the subtrahend. Then coming to difference, the resulting number obtained after the subtraction is called difference of the two number. For example, 60 minus 20 is 40. In this example, 40 is the difference. So if this example we see 60 minus 20 is equal to 40, 60 is the minuend, 20 is the subtrahend and 40 is the difference. Now coming to subtraction without borrowing. 8463 minus 7451. 1110 ones. Like this you have to write. Then always the subtraction will begin from ones place. 3 minus 1, that is 2. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. This is the step by step process I have written. First subtract from ones place, that is 3 minus 1, 2. Then from tens place 6 minus 5, 1. Then from hundred place 4 minus 4, 0. Then from thousand place 8 minus 7, 1. Next we are coming to subtraction with borrowing. Let us see the example. 8031 minus 5146. Like this you have to write. From 1, is it possible to minus 6? The obvious answer is no. 1 is smaller than 6. So we cannot subtract it. So what we will do for that? We will borrow from here. When we are borrowing from here, this number becomes 2 and it becomes 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 2, here 2 is there. Then 2 from 2, 4 cannot be subtracted. So we will borrow from the next digit. But the next digit is 0. So we will borrow from this number. When we are borrowing from this number becomes 7 and any number passes over 0, it becomes 9. So this digit will be 9 and it will become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8 and 9 minus 1 is 8. 7 minus 5 is 2, as we have already given here. So it becomes 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Few examples I have done in a piece of paper. Let us see that examples. Subtraction with borrowing. Few examples I have done. 6704 minus 5838. From 4 it is impossible to minus 8. So we will borrow from the next digit. But the next digit is 0. So we will borrow from 100 place. When we are borrowing from 100 place, this digit becomes 6. And as a number passes across a 0, it becomes 9 and it becomes 14. 14, this 4 becomes 14 as 10 is borrowed over here. So 14 minus 8, that is 6. 9 minus 3, 6. This digit has become 6. It is impossible to subtract. It is impossible from 6 to subtract 8 as 6 is smaller. So we will borrow from here. It becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. As we have already given here, so it becomes 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So in this place you can write 0. If you don't write also, no problem. Coming to the next number, 4370 minus 2695. Now this is 0. From 0 it is impossible to subtract 5. So we will borrow from the next digit. It becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, as we have already given here. So it has become 6. From 6 it is impossible to subtract 9. So we will borrow from the next digit. It becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. As we have given over here, so it has become 2. From 2 it is impossible to subtract 6. So we will borrow from here. It becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. As we have given here, we have already given here. So here it is 3 now. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Coming to the next number, 9000 minus 5624. Here it is 0 is there. We will borrow from the next digit, but the next digit is also 0. And the 100 place is also 0. So we will borrow from 1000 place. It becomes 8 over here. As a number passes across the 0, already I have said it will become 9. Here also 9, here also 9. But the last stopping point, it will become 10. Always. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 6 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. Here it becomes 8 as we have already borrowed from here. So it has become 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. The next 3.3 exercise we will be giving in the next video. Thank you.